Money makes the world go round, the world go round.
The majority of Americans today have been deeply affected by the current economic situation.
College students nationwide have felt the profound impact of these changes.
As freshman students, part of the UCLA community, we have definitely experienced the results of this dramatic crisis.
These are the sounds of change.
These are the sounds of change.
Financial aid at UCLA has become far less accessible than it has been in past years. It is now strictly limited to students in the most extreme financial situations. Because of cuts, there's just not enough money to go around. For middle-class students, financial aid is now not an option. As a middle-class UCLA student, I always assumed I'd be able to obtain financial aid if needed. Now, I wonder how my family will be able to continue to support me without that option. These are the sounds of change.
The budget cuts at UCLA have started to affect general academia. Students no longer have access to everyday necessities that once enhanced and encouraged persistence in pursuing higher education. I am a new student here, and I never thought I'd have to sacrifice aspects of my education at a place like UCLA. Now, I wonder how the budget cuts will continue to affect my learning experience. Bigger classes, fewer majors, decreased library hours, smaller departments, reduced tutoring hours. These are the sounds of change.
10 years ago, to attend UCLA, the base tuition price was roughly $4,000. Since then, it has nearly doubled. Room and board, books, lab fees, shows, and campus events are not included in this $8,266 for tuition that is currently on the rise. But these costly essentials create the well-rounded and fulfilling UCLA experience. I am a middle-class freshman at UCLA who never before worried about financial issues. Now, I wonder how my family will continue to be able to provide me with this experience. These are the sounds of change. When are the sounds of change?
When are the sounds of change?
When are the sounds of change
going to change?
Money, 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 money.